Fine. So Leva's just overfeeding the cows. Oh, that's thick. That was like super thick. Oh, it was beside the road, that's why, where they pushed it up. I about fell because I wasn't expecting it. The baby's getting big. That's good. Here's the twins. Go, 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 go. Hey, girl. It's the boy and his cow. Cocoa Puff.
Coco, look at the camera.
Cocoa Puff.
Coco.
You're not Cocoa Puff. I don't even know your name. You're just Barn Cat.
No. Oh,
She ran away.
Yeah. She doesn't like the camera.
She's camera shy?
Yeah.
This is the chicken hideout underneath the wagon. Now we embark on the grand adventure of trying to make it to take care of the goats. Hi, soul. Midnight. Midnight. There's the big man on campus. You gonna feed the ducks? All right, ready? Hi, Luna. Hi, girl. Luna. Luna girl. Luna girl. This little lady's not looking so good, and we're going to take her home and give her some TLC. And back to the house. Go tubing. We're going to tie it on the back of the Jeep and have a little fun. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, you're trying to get the rope. Yes, you did. Can you make a snow angel? Alright, hop up.
Help!
And jump. There it is. Okay, give him one of the ropes.
Wait, there's two?
Yeah.
Alright, let it.
Oh, geez. Here, hang on. Hang on! Oh, no. All over me. Face is frozen. Okay, you guys, so that is it for a day on the farm with me and my family. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.